Hi, my name is Judith and this is my friend Milawin. So today we have to do some skin assessment. Okay? Okay, first of all, knock knock knock.
Come in.
Wash my hands. Put my gloves. Hi ma'am, how are you doing?
Doing good. And you?
Good, thank you. My name is Judith. I'm a student nurse from Howard College. How are you doing?
Good.
Okay, so today I have to do some skin assessments and I have to do some cranial nerve 1 to 12 just to check your neural status. So please can you verify your name and date of birth for me please?
Melawin Snell, 10/22/1986.
Alright, thank you. Do you have any pain right now? 0 is no pain, 10 is the worst pain. No pain? Alright, thank you. Is it okay if I can do your skin assessment?